Hello, you there. Welcome back to my channel. And on today's episode, I'm going to be trying how to use chopsticks for the first time. That is why I am dressed like Kim. So for today's video, my name is Kim. Okay, Kosheshan Kim. It's like Kim is the only Chinese name that I actually don't know about. You look at this Kim. Look at this Kim. Oh, 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. Yeah. So let's get into the video, right? I've watched the video, but I've not tried to make the motion, like pick something with it. Okay. And this is the essence of this channel. Life. I am I have loved myself to complacency. I don't know if you know what that means, but I love myself to the point that anyhow I find myself, I am good with myself that way. But this channel, it makes me try new things. And then that way I can move out of my comfort zone actually, because of this video I am wearing this beautiful dress. God, I even went for a glam boobs photo shoot because of this dress. Yeah. To other people, mm, 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 mm. To other people, dreams are their aspirations, their visions of how they see and are expecting themselves to go. But to me, it's my literal dreams that I try to live these days. I try to like, okay, I had this is the amount of pepper that I'm going to be using. Just a little pepper. When I pour it, you see. Because I don't want no hot pass. No, 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 no. So now that the food is done, it's the hour of the first trial. Have you ever seen chopstick before? I saw the video, but in the video, what am I supposed to do? This one is supposed to. This one is supposed to be locked in. Hmm? It's only this one that I can move my hand. This one. Jesus, something that I watched that I've forgotten. Open for me now, YouTube. Let me see again now. Hey. Ah ah. Jesus. Gang gang. Hallelujah. Mm. I don't know how to open it again. It's supposed to be happening smooth, smooth, smooth. Still first before I start again. Hmm. And then Jesus. It's hard. So is this one that will be moving? This one is static. Hmm. Oh, chon chon chon. Chon chon. Hey, it's not easy. Oh. Okay. I'm getting this much more. There's actually a difference between Chinese steak, Chinese chopsticks, Korean chopsticks, and Japanese chopsticks. It's not easy. Thank God, though. Before I would have gone to Tokyo to go and embarrass myself. I'm learning it now. Pink. Mm. Mm. Oh, mm-hmm. It's hard. They say hold it. They say hold this one like this, like this, pinch, and this one will come around here like this. Then only this one will move. Right. Now see what's going to happen when I try to move this one. Everything is now wanting to move. Oh God. I can't fetch nothing. I can't fetch anything. Oh my God. I know I'm not doing it the right way. I just know. Because when I say I will do it the right way, the thing will not be fetching. Hmm. See. Okay. I do the right way, I fetch more. Okay. I'm getting it, but small, small. You know, fetching small, small food. Eh, I've gotten it. Hmm? Oh, I got this on camera. I got it. But let me not miss it to, you see, I can pick something. Ah, ah. The feeling is priceless. Open your mouth. Swing. Let me try to pick things in three places. I pick here, pick there, I pick there. Hmm? I stopped that pinch thing because I pinched my middle finger is not able to move to stay in one place if I pinch. So it's like I want to carry spoon to finish it because like I'm getting better and better with this one. Like now, just like one take, I'm able to fetch something. Uh, but you don't so because okay, okay. So you see this crisscross is happening in the food too. This crisscross motion it happened, and so when the crisscross happens, I don't get the food. But when the crisscross doesn't, I get the food. You see, when it's parallel, I get the food. But when the crisscross happen, so I just have to master the motion so that when it clicks, when I move it and it clicks, it's not a crisscross. I know. I'm gonna live all these dreams one day. I'm not even in doubt. I'm not even in doubt. But before I get there, I'm gonna be ready. Before I get there, I'm going to be ready. Like what like the word ready. Okay? Um you guys remember to try new things. This is my way of encouraging you to try new things. Life is an experience, not a race. Like don't be so wherever you are, like your life is good. It cannot be better than what you think it is. If you think your life is bad, wherever you and you keep thinking that your life is bad, That is how it's going to be. It can never be better than what you think it is. Okay. Okay. So know that your life is good. Try whatever things that you can try and can give you excitement. Like, live it a day at a time. Don't be thinking about how your years are going. So start thinking it's good already. Okay. Love you. Remember to what? Like rather. And if you're not subscribed, please do remember to like and subscribe. Okay. Thank you. Ciao for now.